Hey, it's Matt, and this is my third, sorry, third vlog, and I just wanted to tell you guys about this because, yeah, it was embarrassing. It was epic too. So I was in class this morning, and we were watching YouTube videos about spoken word poetry. Yeah, and I really liked two poets that my professor showed us, Sarah Kay and Taylor Malley, I think. Yeah. Well, anyways, somewhere in Taylor Malley's video, there was a silent part. Guess what happened next? Yeah, my stomach made the weirdest noise ever. Oh God. There was a dude to my left and a girl to my right, and I'm guessing they heard it, but they didn't show it because it was pretty loud. Kind of sounded like. So yeah, I got embarrassed. So I quickly grabbed my water bottle, attempting to open it and like drink it. But yeah, I think it was a bit too late. Yeah, it was embarrassing. Anyways, that's all for today. Thanks. Bye.